Creating list. A list is a collection of related items that can be used to represent information in pointed form. In our daily routine, we have to write many things such as list of items required for a festival and list of steps to make a dish. List feature of HTML allows us to display this type of information on the web page in an organized manner. There are three types of lists named ordered list, unordered list, and definition list that can be created in HTML to display the items in the form of list. Let us learn about these in detail. Ordered list. An ordered list is also called the numbered list. This type of list is used to display the items in a sequential manner. For example, steps in an algorithm, etc. In HTML, the OL tag is used to create an ordered list. The LI tag is used to define an item in the list. It can be used as an empty tag as well as a container tag. The OL tag have two attributes named type and start, which you can use in the following way. We'll start the list from A. We'll start the list from D. We'll start the list from 25. We'll start the list from II. We'll start the list from 2. We'll start the list from 4. Below table shows different examples of the type attribute. Type, numbering or alphabetical scheme. Examples. Capital A, uppercase letters, capital A, B, C, D. Small a, lowercase letters, small a, b, c, d. Roman number 1, uppercase Roman numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 in uppercase and so on. Roman number I, Roman number 1 in lowercase, lowercase Roman numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. 1. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us use the OL tag. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, ordered list or numbered list, close title tag, close head tag, open body tag, open B tag, cup of tea, close B tag, open HR tag, steps to make a cup of tea, open OL tag, open LI tag, take 3/4 cup of water and boil it in kettle. Open LI tag, add a tablespoon sugar. Open LI tag, add 1/4 cup of milk. Open LI tag, pour the tea into a cup. Open LI tag, add a tea bag. Close OL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Unordered list. An unordered list is also called bulleted list. This type of list is generally used to display random items which never required to place in a sequential manner. The UL tag is used to define an unordered list. The UL tag has only type attribute which describe the type of bullet style which will appear with list items. There are 3 bullet styles that can be used in an unordered list: disk, circle, square. The default bullet style is disk in HTML. Let us use the UL tag to create an unordered list. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, unordered list or bulleted list, close title tag, close head tag. Open body tag, open B tag, winter clothes, close B tag. Open HR tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, sweaters, open LI tag, woolen clothes, open LI tag, gloves, open LI tag, jackets, close UL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Every list has the ability to be placed inside another list. For example, an ordered list can be nested inside an unordered list and vice versa. Ensure that the inner and outer list tags should be properly closed while creating nested lists. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, nesting of lists, close title tag, close head tag, open body tag, open B tag, fruits and vegetables, close B tag, open BR tag, open OL type equal square in double quotes, open LI tag, fruits, close LI tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, mango, close LI tag, open LI tag, grape, close LI tag, close UL tag, open LI tag, vegetables, close LI tag, open UL tag, open LI tag, potato, close LI tag, open LI tag, onion, close LI tag, close UL tag, close OL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Definition list. The definition list is also known as description list. The description list is created by using the DL tag in conjunction with DD and DT tag. The DL tag defines the entire description list. The DT tag defines the description term. The DD tag defines the description term's definition. Let us use the DL tag to create a definition list. Open HTML tag, open head tag, open title tag, definition list, close title tag, close head tag. Open body tag, open B tag, example of definition list, close B tag, open HR tag, open DL tag, open DT tag, beverages, close DT tag, open DD tag, hot and cold drinks, close DD tag, open DT tag, cappuccino, close DT tag, open DD tag, hot drinks, close DD tag, close DL tag, close body tag, close HTML tag. Creating tables. Tables represent the data in the form of rows and columns. In HTML, a table is created by using the table tag. The table tag should be defined inside the body tag. It is a container tag. Different kinds of tables can be created by using the following child tags of the table tag. TR tag. This tag is used for defining table rows. TD tag. This tag is used for defining table data, that is the data of the cells. Caption tag. This tag is used for defining the title of the table. TH tag. This tag is used for defining table headings. Following is an example of a table. Table student. Roll number, name, grade, gender. 1. Araf, B, male. 2. Gauransh, A, male. 3. Himakshi, A, female. 4. Rakshit, B, male. Where table : student is the title of the table which can be inserted by using the caption tag. Roll number, name, grade and gender are the table headings that can be created by using the TH tag. Attributes of the table tag. The following attributes are used to present a table efficiently. Border. The border attribute is used to set the border of the table. The default value of the border attribute is 0. You can set the border of the table by providing numeric value to the border attribute in the following way. Table border tag equal to in double quotes. Border color. The border color attribute is used to give color to the border of the table. The value of this attribute can be the name of any permitted color or any value of the color using RGB color code in hexadecimal notation, like hash #DDDFF value is given for light blue color. You can use the border color attribute to set the border color in the following way. Table border equal to in double quotes, border color equal blue in double quotes, or table border tag equal to in double quotes, border color equal hash double D double D double F in double quotes. Frames. The frames attribute allows you to show borders only at specified sides. For example, if the value of the frames attribute is box in double quotes or border, the border is displayed on all four sides. Above, the border is displayed on the top side only. Below, the border is displayed at the bottom side only. H sides. The border is displayed at both top and bottom sides. LHS. The border is displayed at the left-hand side. RHS. The border is displayed at the right-hand side only. V side. The border is displayed at both left and right sides. Void. No border is displayed. BG color. The BG color attribute is used to change the background color of the table. The value can be any permitted color name or its hex equivalent value. For example, table BG color tag equal green in double quotes or table BG color tag equals hash FFOO in double quotes. Background. The background attribute is used in the same way as done with the body tag. Just specify the URL or the directory path of the file and the file name as its value in double quotes. For example, table background tag equal d:/documents/smiley.jpg in double quotes. Height and width. The height and the width attributes are used for setting the height and width of the table. The value can simply be given as 90 or 70 or any other number as it shows pixels of computer screen. The value of these attributes can also be given in percentage, that is 90%, etc., as it shows that the table will cover 90% area of the browser window. For example, table height tag equal 90% in double quotes, width equals 70% in double quotes. Cell spacing. The cell spacing attribute is used to define the minimum distance between two adjacent cells in a table. This attribute takes value in pixels. The default value taken by the attribute is 2. For example, table cell spacing tag equal 13 in double quotes. Cell padding. The cell padding attribute is used to define the minimum space between the edge of the cell and the text or data inside the cell. This attribute takes value in pixels. The default value taken by the attribute is 2. For example, table cell padding tag equal 15 in double. Attributes of the TD tag. The TD tag stands for table data. It is used to fill the data in the table cells. Following are the attributes used to present the cell or table data in more effective manner. Align. The align attribute is used to set display position of the text in a cell horizontally. That is, horizontal alignment of the text. It can take any one of the following 4 values. Justify. Stretches the content so that each character has equal width. Center. To align text to the center of the cell. Left. To align text to the left edge of the cell. Right. To align text to the right edge of the cell. For example, TD align tag equals center in double quotes. BG color. The BG attribute is used to give background color to an individual cell wherever it is specified. For example, TD BG color tag equal pink in double quotes. Width. The width attribute defines width of an individual cell when specified either in pixels or in percentage of table width. For example, TD width tag is equal to 30, TD width tag is equal to 40%. Row span. The row span attribute applies when a single cell is extended for more than a single row. That is, the cell spans for 2 or more rows instead of 1 as shown in below table. Category, types, sports, badminton, football, basketball, martial arts, judo, karate. Here, the cell sports is taken a span of 3 rows and martial arts is taking a span of 2 rows. Example of using row span attribute is TD row span equal 3 in double quote. Call span. The call span attribute applies when a single cell is extended to more than a single column. That is, the cell spans for 2 or more columns instead of 1 as shown in table below. Roll number, name, first, last, marks, grade. Here, name cell is taking a span of 2 columns. Example for using row span attribute is TD call span equal to in double quote. V-align. The V-align attribute is used to align the position of text in the cell vertically. That is, vertical alignment. It can take any one from 3 values, top, middle or middle and bottom. This is useful when a text has to be aligned in case of row span. Consider the table with row span previously used. The text sports appears to be in the middle and martial arts at bottom vertically with respect to the types column. Attributes of the TR tag. The TR tag stands for table row, which is used to start a row and ends up with close TR tag. It is a container tag. All the attributes discussed with TD tag can also be used with the TR tag except the row span and call span attributes. HTML code to create a table. Let us create a table using the table tag. In the preceding code, we have seen that rows are created by using the TR tag. Rows are further divided into cells by using the TD tag. These cells contain data of the table. The output of the preceding row is shown. Let us create another program by using the call span attribute of the table. The output of the preceding code is shown.